Hello everyone! Another day, another tour apartment today. Ayan, samahan niyo ako. Itutur ko kayo sa aking nalinis na apartment. Airbnb tour. Ito yan guys. Good for 4 packs ang maximum dito guys. Good for family. Meron tayo ditong extra bed. Yan ang kusina natin. Pwede kayo dyan magluto. Grocery na lang ang bibilhin nyo guys. Yan. Pasok tayo sa kwarto. Yung salamin. At ito yung bathroom guys. May libre to tissue paper. Ayan, may shower gel na din at sabon. Ito yung shower room. May shampoo and body wash na rin. At pwede rin kayo dito maglaba. At dito naman yung room. Yan guys. May malaking tayong wardrobe dyan. May malaking mirror. Ayan, may free wifi tayo. May free wifi ang apartment. Ayan guys. Dito yung extra bed guys, yan. Pwede dyan, good for 2. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and share. Bye-bye.